Hello, Namaste, Sasriya Akal and Adab, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be one of my favorite videos because I was thinking of doing it from a very long time, but I couldn't do it. So let's start. So before that, please subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment, because why not? It's totally free. So let's get into the videos. Okay, so I am a diehard fan of Maybelline lipsticks, and especially the Super Matte Ink lipsticks. You can see why I'm the fan. So today I'm gonna review these lipsticks and show you the swatches also. So let's begin. My first recommendation for you in this, if you're looking for a good red shade, then this is it. It is in the shade Ambitious 220. I'll just show you the packaging over here. It has a wand inside this, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. Okay, okay, I've swatched it. Wait a sec. Just look at it. This is the color red, and I'll say you about the prices and the details at the end. So stay tuned. I'll be only showing the swatches right now. So if you're looking for a red shade, this one is it. Next, I'm gonna do with this shade, which is my recent favorite, the shade Founder. The bottle packaging has changed a bit. It has matte written on it. So, okay, I'll show you the wand also. Look at the wand. This is the shade which I have applied Founder on my lips. So I'll just show you the second shade. Just look at it. बहुत ही अच्छा है. It is perfect for any occasion. For your bright mauve color है इसमें. Non-sticky. All the lipsticks are non-sticky. Starting with a stickiness लगेगा, then you'll get used to it. And I can guarantee you, कितना भी खा लो, कितना भी पी लो, रात तक ये lipstick जाएगा नहीं. And always remember to put a lip balm under it, or you can put over it also. And when you're removing it, please remove it using a coconut oil, Johnson baby oil या makeup remover से please. नहीं तो आपका चेहरा will be like a joker everywhere, right? My third one is this shade Ruler 8080. I'll show you this. This one is a bit on a berry side, a mauve shade है ये. Just look at the mauve shade. Just look at it. Yes. So this shade is also amazing for your work places, everyday use. ये शेड बहुत ही अच्छा जाता है. It goes with every outfit. So this one. Another shade which I think everyone should have is a brown. क्योंकि whenever you're buying lipstick, make sure you have maroons, you have reds, you have pinks and browns. The main four areas. So ये है 70 Amazonian shade, which is again one of my favorites. Brown shade में आता है. I'll just swatch for you guys. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. See the brown shade. Amazing. ये brown shade एक chocolate color में है. It looks very amazing. बहुत ही subtle look देता है. आपको थोड़ा hot भी बनाता है. I'll be honest. बहुत ही amazing है. Price थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Like it's 500, 600 plus all the lipsticks. But make sure you store it in your cart from Nykaa या Purple, Flipkart, Amazon, Maybelline के website, कहाँ पे भी जाओ, store it in advance. I always buy it when it is 300, 350 Amazon sale, Flipkart sale में, festival sale में, I buy it and keep. So you can do that. Another two lipsticks I have. The one pink shade. Okay, pink is also a must. So this is in the shade Artist 120. I will give in the description all the shade names, okay, so that you know which shade. So yes, it has this amazing wand. As usual, wands are so nice. And I'll just swipe it for you. It's in the baby pink. It looks similar, but there is a tone difference when you apply it on the lips and hands. It differs. So yes, this one is also one of my favorites. I think college students के लिए तो best है. बहुत ही pop-up color है. So office के लिए तो नहीं, पर functions के लिए, events के लिए, this is perfect. And my last shade is the Transformer. As I told you, pinks, reds, browns, and now maroons. So 230, the shade name 230 Transformer. I'll show you. This is a total a maroon shade. Okay, just you can see. Totally a maroon, wine color. Okay. So this is also great. This is especially good for weddings, functions. आप ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट पहनते हैं उसके साथ you put all these lipsticks is great. So I totally recommend all these lipsticks. There are a lot of other shades and 20 more shades हैं. आप देख लो पर ये मेरी favorites है. I wanted the basic shades तो मैंने लिया है. So I hope you like today's videos and see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.